Dami na hindi makapaniwala dahil sobrang mura lang nito kahit malaki ang loteng kasama sa package at exclusive ang subdivision. Single attached unit na rin ito na may modern design, long highway lang community at few minutes away sa pinakamalaking SM dito sa Cavite. Kung ganito nga rin ang hanap mo, then continue watching. Hi everyone, it's me again, Kiara Pepito Sabido for another single attached home tour. And this is our single home 60 here in Amayascapes, General Trias, Cavite. Lahat ng single attached namin, kung gusto mo exclusive ang subdivision, ito ang pinakamurang ma-offer ko sa iyo. This is under Ayala, kaya naman trusted ang brand. Duradong mapapanatag ka na nandito ang pamilya mo. Minimum lot area ay 100 square meters at may floor area na to na 60 square meters and this is fully customizable. Dahil semi-complete finish ang turnover natin. May provision ka for 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, service area na pwede mong i-expand at may provision ka na rin for 1 to 2 carport sa laki ng extra loteng meron ka. Yes, affordable to kasi price ranges from 30 to 35,000 a month lang and this is available through bank financing. Most of our units right now are pre-selling units kaya naman napakagaan ng monthly payment natin at may option tayo for flexible DP term. Siyempre, bukod sa panalo ka sa location, panalo ka rin sa community na meron tayo dito. Complete ang amenities, hindi crowded at exclusive talaga ang ating community. Sasabol ka rin sa madaming major establishment essential for your growing family. Kaya naman hindi ako magtataka kung bakit maraming client na ito pa rin talaga ang pinipili among all the other options. Lapit nga lang din to sa future Central Business District na tinatayo dito sa Cavite. Kaya naman panalo ka rin dito kung for investment naman ang target mo. Total package price starts at 5.2 million and reserve a unit for as low as 25,000 only. So paano? Ito na rin ba ang unit na para sa pamilya mo? Tara tripping na tayo. See you soon at paalam!